Hey guys, this is going to be a comprehensive guide on how to pair the different Roku remotes with a Roku Express or a Roku Express 4K. So these are the three Roku remotes that you can currently get on Roku's website that work with this device, and I'll go over how to pair each of these. Starting off with the Roku remote that actually comes with the Roku Express when you purchase it, and this is the Roku Player remote. It's had other names over the years, such as the standard remote, the simple remote. The nice thing about this is it should work automatically with your Roku Express. If it's not working for whatever reason, make sure that the batteries aren't dead, and at that point, there's no pairing button or anything like that. It should just work automatically with the Roku Express, but to troubleshoot this if you're having problems is you can take the batteries out of the back. With the batteries out of the remote, the next thing you should do is unplug your Roku Express, plug it back in, and during its reboot phase, what you should do is put the batteries back in to the Roku Player remote, and it should communicate with your Roku Express, link up and be ready to use, and we can see when we move the arrows up and down that it should work just fine. Now the next Roku remote that I'm going to show you how to pair is the voice remote. Now this actually doesn't have a physical pairing button. There's no button here on the back, and if we open up the back battery compartment, there's no pairing button here either. That's okay. We get this particular remote into pairing mode by holding down the back and the home buttons at the same time. And once we're in pairing mode, our Roku Express is going to communicate with this device, pair it up to be ready to use. If you're not getting it to pair, you can again unplug the Roku Express, plug it back in, and when it reboots, as long as the voice remote is in pairing mode, it should communicate with the Roku Express, pair up, and then as you can see, it now works just great. The third remote that I have here is the Voice Remote Pro, and this one actually does have a physical pairing button here on the back, and other Roku remotes that you have also might have a pairing button under the battery case, but we can hold this pairing button down for a handful of seconds until it is in pairing mode. And once it's in pairing mode, again, it should communicate with our Roku Express, pair the remote up, and once it's paired, this green light will stop flashing. And now it's paired up and ready to go, and I can use it just like the other remotes. And lastly, also worth noting for pairing Roku remotes when they're in pairing mode, you can also go down to settings and remotes, and in the remotes area, you can click OK on add device, and then we can add a remote this way as well. So I hope this comprehensive guide was helpful going over how you can pair the different Roku remotes that work with the Roku Express or the Express 4K, whether it's the $9.99 Roku Player remote, the $19.99 voice remote, or the $29.99 voice remote plus. All of these will work with the Roku Express or the Express 4K, and I'll have purchase links to these down in the description if you're interested in any of these remotes. So that'll wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.